In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create wrinkle text effect in Canva. We'll go step by step on a simple Canva design so you can see exactly where to click and how to get that nice wrinkled, folded text look. This works perfectly for thumbnails, social media posts, posters, and any design where you want your text to look more dynamic and textured. First, open Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one. Any size works, but a standard Instagram post or YouTube thumbnail size is usually a good place to start. Once your blank canvas is open and you're ready to add text, we'll start with the basic text setup. Now go over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the text tool. It's usually labeled text with a big T icon. When that opens, you can choose from add a heading, add a subheading, or add a little bit of body text. For this effect, it's usually best to start with a heading because it's big and bold, which makes the wrinkle text effect easier to see. Click Add a Heading, and a new text box will appear on your canvas. With that new text box selected, type your phrase. This could be something like wrinkle effect, new drop, sale, or any short, bold phrase you want to stand out. You can adjust the font and size right away if you want. A thicker, bolder font usually makes the wrinkle style show up more clearly, so you might want to pick a strong sans serif or display font from the font drop-down at the top. Increase the font size so it fills a good portion of your canvas and is easy to see while you edit. Next, with your text ready, it's time to apply the actual effect. Make sure the text box is still selected. You'll know it's selected if you see the bounding box and handles around the text. Now look up at the top toolbar and click on the button that says Effects. This will open a panel on the left or at the top, depending on your screen size, with different text effects and styles. Inside the Effects panel, look for the section called Shape. Under Shape, you'll see options like Curve or Wave. These are the ones we'll use to create that wrinkle text effect. If you want a more simple arch type of wrinkle, choose Curve. If you want something that looks more like a ripple or a wave moving through the text, select Wave. Click once on Curve or Wave and Canva will instantly apply the shape effect to your selected text. Now that the effect is applied, we're going to adjust it so it actually looks like a gentle wrinkle or fold instead of just a big curve. With your text still selected and the effect applied, you'll see a slider for the bend or curve amount. This slider controls how strong the shape effect is. If you drag the slider to the right, the curve or wave becomes more dramatic. If you drag it to the left, it becomes more subtle. To create a wrinkle text effect, you usually want a softer, controlled bend rather than an extreme curve. Slowly drag the slider until the text starts to look like it has a gentle ripple across it. If you're using curve, a small positive value will give you a slight arch, while a small negative value will bend it the opposite way, like a dip. With wave, adjusting the intensity will create a more flowing ripple, which can look like your text is wrinkling across an invisible surface. Take a moment to zoom in on your design so you can see the details more clearly. If the wrinkle effect looks too strong or stretched, pull the slider back until the letters are still readable and clean, but have that nice folded motion to them. Move the text box around your canvas to place it in the best spot for your design and tweak the font size if needed. From here, you can also change the color of the text, add outlines, or duplicate the text layer to stack multiple wrinkled lines for a more complex look. But the core wrinkle text effect in Canva comes from exactly what you just did. Adding your text, applying the curve or wave shape effect, and then using the slider to fine-tune the bend until it looks like a smooth ripple or fold. Once you're happy with how the wrinkle text looks, you can continue designing the rest of your layout or download your design using the Share or Download button at the top right. That's all you need to create a wrinkle text effect in Canva using the Text tool, the Effects panel, shape options like curve or wave, and the bend slider for a smooth, wrinkled style.